I'm going to walk you guys through 683, the counterbearing bracket. So let's go ahead and get started. This is in the metric system, so let's do the standard IPT. Okay, creating this part, not very hard, but let's go ahead and do the base first. So it is a rectangular base. So we're going to make it on the XZ plane. Pay attention to how it rotates. Okay, I rotated it again, so that way I am looking at it from above. So I'm just going to draw that, and then I'm going to put in my dimensions. My dimensions are 140 from left to right, and my depth is 70. Okay, I'm going to click on my coincident constraint, find that, and connect it there. And that midpoint connects to the origin. And I'm going to put in some holes. Okay, this hole is 19 in diameter, and this hole is again 19 in diameter. They are 45 from the back and 45 from the back. And it looks that they are 41 from the center and 82 from each other. Okay, so that's that. So let's go ahead and extrude these, or extrude this. So this is going to be extruded up at 19. Okay, so let's turn it around, because now we're going to make this triangular looking base, or back. Okay, so I'm going to make a circle. This circle has a diameter of 70. I'm going to make sure that it is directly lined up with the origin, or the origin of my part, the midpoint, and it is 113 from the base. So 113, okay. And then I'm just going to click on project geometry, and then I'm going to click from that corner, and I'm drawing a few lines, and then click on my tangent constraint to constrain this to this and this to this. Okay, and trim, and that's that. So once I have that, finish the sketch, and then I'm going to extrude this and this in the other direction at 19. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and add this circular part. So I'm going to make a sketch here, circle, oh no, project geometry, then a circle. Finish the sketch, extrude, and this is going to be 51, but since I already added the 19, I'm going to subtract it and do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add one more thing, and then I need to cut out the hole. So let's go ahead and start a new sketch. I need to add this little rib down the middle and then this little guy in the middle. So I'm going to make a sketch on the YZ plane. Okay, so I'm going to slice my graphics, project my geometry. So I'm going to project this, I'm going to project that, and I'm going to project this. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line from there to there, and then I'm going to make a rectangle, because remember I said that we always want to make sure that we are extending into the part. So that's what I'm doing, extending into the part. Okay, so we extended into the part, finish that, and then we're going to extrude. Make sure that you select all of those things that we just created. We're going to go in both directions, 19, like so. And then one last thing that we need to add is this little cutout right here, and that is 38 right here. So I could have added it somewhere else, but I didn't for whatever reason, because I didn't, and I'm just going to add it here. This is going to be 3810, 38.1. and then it is 9, and then I'm just going to make it coincident with that, and then finish the sketch, extrude 70 in the other direction, finish, and then one last thing is to add the hole with the concentric reference, and that hole is 38.1. Somewhere we should have typed it, 38.1, and that's that. Just need to add some fillets. And the fillets are 3. So let me change that radius to 3. So, okay. When that happens, when Inventor's being dumb and it doesn't want to do something, sometimes you just have to try again, and in smaller batches, so that way Inventor does want to do it. Okay, I already messed up. I just need to change something real quick. This right here, I need to change this fillet, this corner needs to be 9. And then once that's done, everything else should be a-okay. And we are good to go. All right, so let's go ahead and save this. This is 3-5.1, 6.83, counter bearing bracket. And this is, let's go ahead and lay it out on a sheet. This is in the metric system, so it's on the metric title block. And this is going to be a front, top, and a side. Okay, and we do need all of our different center lines. And there we go. Okay, all of these dimensions are relatively easy, so they are your responsibility to put them in. If you guys have any questions, please just let me know. Thanks, guys.